Hey guys, I'm Sarah, slightly different one from us today. Fixing a leaky tap. It started leaking from down different places in the actual tap when I had it turned on, but now it's at the point where it's also dripping water and leaving a wee puddle around here, even when it's turned off.
So the first thing we need to do is we need to get to the shut-off valves, which most modern places have. Some of the old places you have to go and turn it off at the street, but these ones I don't think you do. So first of all, Sam, I need you to clear that out and put everything up on the bench. Oh, guess what?
What?
This one doesn't have them.
Oh. There it is.
So that's the water to our property. We can shut off there. There's a tap down there. But that's also our regulating valve that tells us how much water we're allowed to have each day. So most people don't have it like that, but quite often they're just covered under taps underneath. Sometimes that's all it looks like, is like that. Yep. You have to turn the water on and let all the water out, all the water pressure out.
Should in theory, seeing as we turned the water pump off.
Put hot water, so turn it around to your left. They should be duct tight because they're only they've got water seals. They've got nylon washers to stop them from leaking. Whatever you do not lose the nylon washers. Actually manage to get repaired because you can't seal them with habit. Okay, let's see how this comes off.
Are they all a bit different as to how they come out?
Yeah, this one here I think it has a pin.
So just the screw coming out.
Yep.
Hey.
Alright.
Hey.
Got a funny feeling this isn't going to come apart. I think we might be in
For a whole new tap.
faucet. Yep. I was hoping there was like going to be screws here that you could undo, but I don't think there is. No, I'd say it's a new faucet. So this is everything we got with the kit. Though I might use the old what do you call it, fasteners out of the other one because they were better. So it goes in here like this. That's the seal. It sits in there, and this here goes through here one at a time. Like that. So this here goes like that, and these here get screwed up through here like that into the bottom of those screws, and then once that's up tight you do that up so it's nice and tight and it can't move. But I think the other ones are slightly...
So that's going in from underneath?
Yep, that's going in from underneath. So we'll do that now. I might just go and get my other sockets out of the car. Put these here like this. Get this. Boom. Right. These here go like this. I can't see what I'm doing, but I can feel it. I can feel it coming tonight. I'm not even in the holes. Now I'm in the holes. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and now, without dropping it, I now have to get this onto there. I have to get one-handed. Just have to get one started. If I can. I hope you caught that on camera because that's rather a skill I fear.
Possibly. Can't know what I've captured till late.
All done. Unseeing eyebrow. Washer is on. It goes on there. That's the cold water. That should be the hot. Easy. Done. Right.
Go. Right. Look at that.
And no leaks.
Water comes out of it and everything.
Well, maybe it has some.
So, shall we see if we got the thing around the right way? Yep, we got it around the right way. Cold.
Well, hey, so for the grand total of $45. Undoubtedly cheaper than getting a plumber.
Yeah, undoubtedly.
There we go, done. Boom. Hit like, leave us a comment, hit subscribe, and yeah, DIY.